Hey, what's up? Mikey here for Trick of the Day. I'm going to show you the 2 Diabolo Shuffle and how to get into the 2 Diabolo Shuffle. Before I do, I want to talk about throwing the Diablo, because when you begin this pattern, you have to throw 1 Diablo into your pattern. So usually when I teach Diablo, I always recommend don't do a roll start to get it going. Start by doing a throw, because eventually as your skills progress and you get into 2 Diablo, you're going to have to be able to do the throw anyway. So there's a couple different methods I'm going to show you. One I've heard called the American method, where you grab the cup like this, turn away from you, and then flick up like that. When you throw it, you want to try to get a lot of spin on it, and you want to keep it parallel with the ground. So you don't want it to topple this way or that way. You want to keep it parallel with the ground. Or I've also heard this called the Fringe Method, where you kind of pinch the axle like you're clawing down. So my back of my hand is facing up. My thumb and my middle finger kind of wrap around the axle this way. Again, twist away from me and then flick up off my ceiling. Flick up like that. Try to get a lot of spin and try to keep it parallel with the ground. So be able to do that with either or both methods, right? To be able to catch like that. Because that's how you're going to get into the 2 Diablo Shuffle. Oops. Been a little while since I've played Diablo. So practice holding both hand sticks in one hand like this. Practice holding both hand sticks in one hand like this. I just place like that. So I kind of got these free. The hand stick is just cradled in between my thumb on my palm there, and I'm able to place the other one. And I have it kind of turned away, as not like this, because that's harder to grab. I have it kind of turned out like this. That way I can grab it real quick. So I'm going to throw it up, grab it, make the string taut, and catch it by the right hand stick. That's what it looks like. The little Fringe Method. So be able to do that. That's the first step. The next step is throwing the other Diablo into the pattern. So once you have 1 Diablo spinning nice and fast and it's parallel with the ground, place the hand stick like I showed you, take the other Diablo, throw it into the pattern, grab your hand stick, catch it with the string tight, and it's naturally going to fall into this position, or this pattern, which is called the 2 Diablo Shuffle. Now you've got to learn how to correct them, keep them both parallel with each other on the ground, and I'll go into that in more detail later. Try to use the whole string length. Like this is part of the string length right here, and this is more of the string length. And hopefully you can see that on the video. Try to use the whole string length, and you can rotate the pattern, or move the pattern sideways like this. That kind of helps generate speed and keeps them both parallel with each other. What else can I show you or tell you? If you notice, my right hand stick is kind of pointed at the axle of the yo-yo, and I've heard that other people don't do that. Like when you have just one, you see how my hand stick is pointed away from me. I don't have it like this. For some reason, I've developed that habit, and I've heard that some really good Japanese Diabloists, like professionals, do 2 like this. Practice if you can do, like, you know, do the 2 Diabolo Shuffle like this. I myself cannot. I have to kind of point my hand stick at it like that. But just be aware that those are different styles. Yeah, so practice getting into the 2 Diabolo Shuffle with a throw. 2 Diablo is a lot of fun. I'll go into correcting it later. Try to use all your string length and move the pattern from side to side. Hey, remember, you can do anything with time and effort. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you're having a great day or night. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.